Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to use AI to create beautiful product images for your online business. If you run an online business and regularly share images of your products, having a tool that enhances the visual appeal of your products would be incredibly beneficial. The AI I'm about to introduce can significantly enhance your online business by making your product images more attractive. Before we start the tutorial, if you want to know about the latest AI tools and how to use them, well, you are in the right place. We regularly share updates and useful information about using AI in today's world. Please hit the subscribe button. Your support encourages us to make more content like this. Now, let us get started. Let me introduce to you to CreatorKit, the platform we are going to explore. To get started, simply open your web browser and visit CreatorKit.com. If you don't already have an account, begin by clicking on the Try It Now button. At this point, you have the choice to continue with either your Shopify account or your email account. I am going to demonstrate using an email account. Enter your full name, email address, and password. Then click the Sign Up button. Once you have completed this step, you will need to verify your email. To do so, access your Gmail or the email address you provided earlier. Locate the message from the Creator Kit and click the link that says Confirm your email. It is as simple as that. And you will now have an account for this platform. To make and improve your product images, start by clicking on Create with AI. Then, upload the product you want to enhance and wait for it to finish the processing. You can choose to add styles and prompts. With styles, you can pick a category that fits your product, like coffee and tea for a milk drink. You can also choose a design. After making your choices, click Continue. Now, position your product in the generated images where you like. You can make it smaller or larger and move it to the right spot by dragging the corners. When it looks good, click Continue. What is great is that you can also choose the aspect ratio you want to use. If you intend to use the picture for social media stories, you can select the story ratio, or if it is a regular landscape image, it is your choice. After clicking, the image will be adjusted to the ratio you have chosen. Is it great to look at? It makes your product more appealing to buyers, right? With the right background, it will look pleasing to the eyes. Then not just that, you can also go back and click on Edit with an AI image editor if you are not satisfied. Another useful feature is the option to use a prompt. This means that if you are not sure what to write, the platform can suggest a starting point for you. For instance, you can choose coffee shop, and then you can edit the suggestion to better match your needs. Once you have customized your prompt, click Continue. Just like before, you can place your product where you want in the image. Once you are satisfied, click Continue. Now, let us talk about the result. It looks pretty good. Even though the cow I mentioned in the prompt wasn't included, the images still look beautiful, don't they? It is important to remember that AI is still improving, so there might be times when it can't fully understand what you input. It is also be a good idea to know how to create prompts because they guide what the background of your product image will look like. After that, choose the picture's shape. Once you are finished editing and happy with your work, just click on Export in HD. By the way, one thing that might disappoint you about this platform is that you have to go for the Pro version to download your images in high definition. But don't worry, you can give this platform a try for 14 days. And if you decide to cancel your subscription, your money will be refunded. I highly recommend it, especially for business owners who regularly showcase their products on social media. This app can truly make a positive impact on your business. What do you think? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. I am eager to hear your feedback because Your insights and experiences can be helpful to others who are thinking about trying it out. Let us all work together to make this platform even more useful and enjoyable for everyone. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.